into the food they eat. We will show you a presentation that will surely gain you an information.
Wow, you ate hamburger.
Yes, I like it. You want?
No thanks. I wonder what animals eat. Do they eat meat?
Yes, but only some eat meat. They are called carnivores.
Carnivores?
Carnivores comes from two Latin words. First word is carne, meaning meat, and second word is vorare, which means to enjoy or to eat.
So when we combine these two, it will become carnivores. Carnivores are meat-eating animals.
Last week, during our vacation, I saw goat eating grass in our farm. What are they?
Many animals eat grass. They are called herbivores. Herbivores are plant-eating animals.
I have dog in our house.
He eats bread, and he also loves to eat meat. He ate both. Your dog is classified as omnivore. Omni means all, and vorare means to eat.
Humans also eat plants like fruits, vegetables, and corn. Likewise, they eat egg, meat, milk, and cheese, which comes from animals.
Now I know. Animals can be classified according to the food they eat. They are carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores. Carnivores are meat-eating animals. Herbivores are plant-eating animals. And omnivores are organisms that eat both plants and animals.
Yes, you're right. Okay, let's check your comprehension. I'll show you a picture of animals and you are going to identify if it is carnivores, herbivores, or omnivores. Ready?
Yes!
What type of animal is this?
Learn something? Well, that's great! Thanks for watching!